Why choose infused water for kids?
Infused water is a delicious, healthy alternative to sugary drinks like soda and juice. By adding fresh fruits, vegetables, or herbs to water, you create a tasty beverage with natural flavors and no added sugar. This not only helps keep kids hydrated, but also encourages better overall health, making it a win for both parents and children.
Simple citrus splash.
For a refreshing citrus splash, add slices of orange, lemon, and lime to a jug of water. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to enhance the flavor. The tangy taste appeals to kids, and the vibrant colors make drinking water more exciting. Citrus fruits are also rich in vitamin C, supporting a healthy immune system.
Berry Blast Infusion.
Combine strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries with water for a naturally sweet berry blast. Mash a few berries lightly to release more flavor. Berries add antioxidants and a fun burst of color. This infused water is perfect for lunchboxes or as a cool summer treat that keeps kids coming back for more.
Cool Cucumber Mint Mix.
Create a soothing drink by adding cucumber slices and fresh mint leaves to water. This cucumber mint mix is light and refreshing, making it ideal after playtime. Cucumber helps with hydration, while mint adds a subtle taste kids will love. It's a great alternative when your child wants something different from fruity flavors.
Tips for making infused water fun.
Let kids pick their favorite fruits or herbs to add to the water. Use colorful cups or fun straws to encourage them to drink more. Prepare the water together and talk about how it's a healthy alternative to soda. With creativity, drinking water becomes a joyful, daily wellness habit, helping kids stay hydrated and happy.